Hey guys, this is Ray here at Parkside Kia. I want to show you guys one of our certified pre-owned vehicles we have here on the lot. It's a 2021 Ford Ranger Lariat in this cactus gray color. Fully loaded, this thing has heated seats, full leather. As you can see, rear tonneau cover as well, remote start, push button start. Gonna give you guys a great look on it, so stay tuned. Alrighty y'all, we're now at the front of the Ford Ranger. As you can see, this does have a 2.3 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder front Ford, made it to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Up front, with all the pretty front grills that you can see, the cactus gray color, you do have your 4 parking sensors with your LED fog lights and your LED headlights as well. So the vehicle is going to be more than bright enough at night whenever you're having some fun in it. Alrighty y'all, we're on the inside of the 21 Ford Ranger. As you can see, full leather interior, heated seats, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto with built-in Sirius XM. You can see that it does have a Bang & Olufsen sound system in here as well, so all your music is absolutely fantastic. Smart cruise control with idle stop and go, so you can pick the distance between you and the vehicle in front of you, lane keep, blind spot, and forward collision. Guys, this vehicle is down here ready to go home, so give us a call, 865-531-4000, or you can call me personally, 865-313-1289. See y'all soon.